So, so I woke up to actually enter this and to monitor hero bots that I created, hero scalper bots, right? So I placed this like since morning. So this is the trade it has taken. Sell trade on GBP USD. I put it in 5 minutes. So as you can see, this is the trade. So this is the trade. But I removed the trailing stop, so it should have been trailing the stop. I removed the stop because I need to pay for it. So I had limited things to do on them. So it means I need to pay for it now. Because I was like, let me check it first before I make payments. So it means I need to check it. I need to pay for. You can see the stop loss. Wow, this stop loss is foul. You can see where the SL is. So I need to adjust this SL stop loss. And then let me see. Let me look for TP. Okay. So there's no TP. Where is the TP? Let me put it in daily chart. Look at the TP. No wonder. So normally it's supposed to be trailing the stop. You can see it has SL up, it has TP down, and it has SL. So it's supposed to be trailing stop, right? Trailing stop till it gets to the TP, and you can see where the point of TP is. So I made sure it was like 1 ratio to something, but I need to address it because it's scalping, but it's not a swing bot. So I'm not expecting it to be wasting time. But you can see the margin, like the risk to reward is. You can see how small the risk to reward is to here. But if I'm using a 1 hour chart, it's big. But then it's not really that much like that. So you get. So it means he's trying to give us a very big win rate. You understand? But I'm expecting it to be scalping on every 10 points. So it's just a trial and something I need to adjust to work on. So normally it's supposed to move on from here to TP. Right, so I'm still going to be watching. Yeah, that's for that. And then I tried on gold too, because I also edited for gold, but maybe I'll remove gold. So gold has been trading its own. Look at all the entries that gold made. So I put it on the 5 minutes. I'm going to move it for 5 minutes, and I'm going to put it on 1 hour. So I can try the 1 hour candle, but I don't know what this reaction is over here. But this is what it has traded in the space of, I think it was trading on candle week instead of what I wanted to do. So probably it's not supposed to be trading on a 5 minutes chart because it's supposed to be scalper bot. Now look at the progress. So far the losses is just -$2 because it's a low risk bot and it's on 0.01. You can see it. But that GBP USD is actually making around $2 or something. Okay, it was around $2, but now it's around 179 because of retracement. So GBP USD is already making money. So, but here all the trades that have happened in this account, I have losses. These are the wins, and it's scalping $1, which I need to adjust to. It's scalping $1. So instead of scalping GBP USD, he ended up scalping for gold instead. So this is XAUSD. You can see it. Let me change back to XAUSD. So it's scalping $1 for XAUSD, and then for the losses, it is 50 cents. So I feel like that's the point I put. So I'm going to check into this thing. See, it's 50 cents loss and $1 profit. So far, it has made profit of 1, 2. Let me take it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 profits on goods, and on here is losses 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. Imagine you just added this one. You just added the sale now and close it. I feel like the points where, and it is a sell. Oh, he added buy instead. I think there's an error. If it's supposed to be selling, why is he adding buy? See, don't add buy, no. So adding buys. So I think I need to review this. So you get, it's not supposed to be adding buy when it's selling. So that's another thing I need to check. I feel like I made an error on that part, so I've already gotten to $5 basis because it's capping 50 cents, and I didn't want it to have so much risk. So I think at this is doing opening and closing of candle, which I don't want on GBP/USD. So what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to be defining a specific rule. So GBP/USD is going to have its own trading boots. XAUUSD is going to have its own specific trading. So any strategy I'm going to be working on now, I'll define it for only GBP/USD, and I'll just put different strategies on only GBP/USD. So that's only bots for GBP/USD, and then XAUUSD is going to have its own strategy for only strictly XAUUSD. So that if I'm fixing or adjusting, I'll be able to do that properly. This is bad. So XAUUSD is the only thing that spoils my account now. So let me remove it from 5 minutes, because let me put it in because for the thing to be chosen by, I feel like there's a reason. So I put it in maybe 15 minutes or 1 hour. Because the way the thing they do. Let me see 1 hour. 15 minutes. So look at it. This is the magic number kind of volatility, people's volume. Then the volume upper limits. You can see stop loss pips, right, which is 50 pips. Then profits 100, which is making it take $1, and this is making it stop at 50 cents, right? Slippage 4. You can see slippage rate, maximum speed 20. So I need to adjust all this one. So for take profit and stop loss, let me increase it. Let me increase this one, or I'll increase it in my bots. Okay, let me increase it here to $5, right? So 500, and then here 50 is too small. Let me leave this one in 100. $1 safe. Trade supposed to lose $1 now. Let me put it in 200. Trade supposed to lose reach $1. That's for sell. For buy 500. In fact, 1,000. Then put 200 here. Then put 200 here.
Yeah, you go back for.
So this one back to 1,000.
I'm just going to come out for breakfast.
Yeah.
But I like 7. I come to come chop by 7 o'clock.
Okay, that's why I put that report.
I better give me that cup.
So I've loaded it, and I've loaded it now. You can see the bot is already there back. So let's see how it goes. So this is $5.50. I'll be monitoring it and I'll check. But I like the fact that there's low risk actually. So I'll check. Okay guys, so this account was less than $3,000. You know, this is my demo account, so for testing the account. So it was less than $3,000 before. It's back at 3,000. I seen it. Yep. I seen it. So the losses that was there, they've covered. So this is still the GU trade that's still moving. So I put it in 15 minutes, and then I wanted to see. You know, I adjusted the time. So I noticed that when I adjusted the time, the trade account history. So I adjusted the TP and everything. So you know, it was always ending at $1 before. It was ending at $1 before, 50 cents, $1. So I had to adjust it, and then the next take profits, I now moved it to 1,000. So I moved the take profit of the seller by to 1,000, and then the TP, the SL closure to be $2. That's 200. So that's what has happened here. So you can see that I won a $10 trade here, a sell trade $10. Look at it, SAU USD sell. I see it, sell trade here, right? $10 scalping. I see it. So a $10 scalping trade here, and then it did the SL hits of -2. See, it's -2, and then a $10 profit. So we were in the $5 loss, and it has covered for that loss. So I'm still monitoring this. I'm still monitoring the trade. You can see it. See where you enter the sale. So I saw this trade I took. So I'm still monitoring it. Open this order now. What order? Sell. Just open the sell order now on good. And look at where you put the stop loss. Stop loss. Like the. Just enter the sell now. From here. And then you put a very close stop loss. So I feel like that stop loss is too close. It will not enable it to breathe small. Because that's what I'm noticing now. Because what's happening here is it's entering the signal late. Normally, if you want to enter, it's supposed to enter at the cross of this moving average, right? But the moving average didn't even cross. And then it entered the signal. Meanwhile, all through this full candle, it was supposed to have triggered. So maybe the thing is set to open after a full candle. I don't know. But I think this is something I need to look into too. Because this is a bad trade. Entering at the close of a candle. So maybe it's set to open at the close of a particular candle after a 15 minutes trade. So let's see how this other one goes in the next 15 minutes. After that candle, it entered the sell again. It has entered the sell again. See it sell. And look at where the TP is. Look at where the stop loss. Stop loss is here. It's entry TP. So the stop loss is $2 and then the TP is $10. So let's see how it's going to go. You can see. So it has entered at the cross of this thing, the moving average. Let me go to the trade. You can see gold. Oh, this one has gone back. This one has gone this thing. So because I didn't use the trading stop for GBP USD, which I'm going to put back once I pay for this thing. But you can see that gold is already in $2.90, right? Gold is already in $2. Gold is in $3 now. $3 is it? $3 XAU USD. So let's monitor. I'm fine. Do you want something? This is 5 minutes chat. You can see this is 5 minutes. See the entry for 5 minutes. Stop loss. See that is very short. So what do you think? Do you think this stop loss is too small? Like stop loss should have come over here, and that's the stop loss should have been $5 and TP should have been the $10, right? Because TP is at $10 actually. So this is $10. If this should come here, it's $10. But if this thing hits this SL, it's $2. Do you understand? So how many risk to reward? If you can calculate the amount of risk to reward that is in it, $2. But if it comes and hits here, $10, right? So it's always fast to hit this stop loss. Always very fast to hit stop loss. But this TP is far. So it's except this candle builds up to this place, that's when you can hit it. It's pushing down. That's around $6 now, guys. $6. You seen it tracing already. So if you did 2, 4, 6, that's already like TP3. If you did 2, 4, 6, that's 3 to 1, right? This is $2 as the loss, and this is $10. That's 5:1, right? So what do you think? Should we be going 5:1? Is it okay for 5:1, or we should be doing 3:1 or 2:1, right? That every time it caps, it gets to $4, it caps. Then if it loses $2, that's it. But if it gets to $4, it caps. It means if it loses 1, if it loses 2 times and gains once, that's $4 on it, right? But if he wins like 1, it has covered like a $2 loss. So it means if I enter a loss once and I make a $10 once, I've covered 4% of the profit. Like I've gotten 4:-1 that I have missed. So when the thing hits TP, you can see that we're having $1 loss because we're having a balance of 50 that time, and then 1 trade hits SL. So let's TP hits, bam, TP hits, TP hit. You can see it, TP hits. So now profit is now what? $8. Are you seeing it? $8. So now the thing is, I need a VPS that I can connect it to, at least monitor it for like a full day. He paid me that I couldn't check it during London session, right? I couldn't check it during London session, so I need to be able to see it for a full day and monitor it. Look at it, $10. You can see the green there, $10, right? and if you check the information, maybe me enter now the thing enter by itself. You can see it. Now you enter by itself. You can see it placed by experts. What that's placed by experts ID something. So you get, and you can see the trade is still pushing down. Maybe if I enter this trade from my real account, say on this cross, you can't go up and go. You see that AI trading for you, they put conscience. If they chop loss, they chop loss. So like this now, I'm in profit of $8. Let me check 2008 equity 3008. You see it? Then this one that is dragging us back now, this GBP USD. Normally I would have closed it, but I don't want to tamper with where the bots have placed this thing. Do you understand? It came all the way to this point and then went back. So what I've observed is that the risk is low. It's not trading over trading. You get, it's not trading over trading. You can see it. I'm going to be refining more of these strategies, but let me know what you think. Let me know what you observe. Do you think it makes sense or it doesn't make sense? Let me know. But I still need a VPS. If you know about the VPS service I can pay for that we can use, right? Let me know. And if you like to partner with me so that I can, every tool that I need to pay for the app that I'm using to build these bots. I need to pay for the advanced app for a month and not be chicken change. So if you want to partner with me, let's do it together so that when the bots start working, I'll not have to come and pay for it. You can feel free. Your 5K, 2K, 1K can go a long way so that when it's now time to use it and it's profitable, you have the liberty to just use it. Do you understand? Or you want to join and pay for VPS, you get? Because I'm testing with demo accounts. Later I'll start testing with my real accounts. I'll test it with like a small amount of money, like $10, $20. So the bot was off since and I just plugged it in and I connected. Immediately I connected it just entered this buy signal, right? And you can see where the TP is. This is 5 minutes time frame. I'm going to put it in 15 minutes time frame now. So this is 15 minutes time frame. So it's at the entry point. Like, if you are not from my Forex group chat, because this update I'm basically showing my Forex group chat, but I'm putting it live now so that the whole world too can see it. So if you are not my student or you're my student, subscribe. I created this one. We are seeing it. Make sure you're subscribing to this channel. Yeah, subscribe to this channel. So this is your update of the bot. So when I refine this bot, I'm going to talk about it and also post it out. Okay, God bless you guys. God bless you guys. Based on this candle, I've discovered that this is already $2, right? Oh, it has reduced. It was $6 right now and then it came back to $2. Look at the candle. So, and this is on 5 minutes. Let me put it on of waiting and then the trade will retrace, and this is good. We don't want, in as much as we want the big money too, we want it to also take profit and and be okay. You understand? So I'm going to see if I can adjust. This is the scalper boat there. You can see it. Euro scalper boat. Are you seeing it? Euro scalper boat. I'm going to see if I can adjust it. But 10 is not bad though. Look at 10. Once you just do the next one long candle now, 6, 7, 8. It's just to just add $2 additional and you see it. But then let me just put it in 6. Let me see if I can edit and put it in 6. Because where that thing will make sense now is if we are testing London session, which I have not tested yet, right? Expert advisor, properties. So I've not tested London session yet. So this is 1,000. I'm going to put it to 600. It's going to be taking $6, right? 600. 1.0. So every $6 profit, that's what it will be taking. So you lose 200, 300, 400, 500, 600. So it's taking 4. So if you lose 2 trades and you win 1, no. If you lose 1 and you win 2, you are still profitable, right? And if you lose 2 and you win 1, it's just going to be -1 of that profit. But that 5 owner, that 10 own was just better. That if he wins if he loses 2 and he wins if he wins 1 and he loses 2, it will cover up, right? But I feel like for that one now, once he loses, maybe I should just do a strategy that will say that I should increase the lot size. So you guys should just tell me what you think. I just felt like doing this video to add it to this ending. So you guys tell me what you think about I'm just thinking now. Is it that after losing it should increase profits, increase lot size or risk, so that I can recover or enter 2 trades so that I can recover the lost profit. Like, you guys tell me what to do.